In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a board in Monday.com. We'll start right from your Monday.com home. Once you're signed in, head to your workspaces to locate the board you want to print. Open that board so you're looking at the full view with all your groups, items, and columns. At the top right of the board, click the three-dot menu. This opens a list of options for managing and sharing your board. Hover over More Actions, then choose Export Board to Excel. Printing a board directly from the browser is possible, but exporting to Excel usually gives you the cleanest, most controllable print layout, which is why we'll begin there. You'll see a window asking what to include in the export. This is where you can tailor the output so your print shows exactly what you need. If you want the conversation thread attached to items, turn on updates. If your board uses sub-items and you want those details in the printout, include sub-items as well. There's also an option to email yourself a copy. Turn that on if you want a backup in your inbox, or leave it off if you prefer to just download locally. When you're set, click Export. Depending on the size of your board, it may take a moment to generate. Once the Excel file is ready, open it. You'll see your board's content arranged in rows and columns, making it easy to check that all the fields you care about are present. Before printing, take a moment to optimize the layout for paper. In Excel, consider switching to landscape if your board is wide, adjust scaling so columns fit on a page, and choose the right paper size. You can also set the header row to repeat on each page and add page breaks for cleaner sections. A quick preview will help confirm everything is legible, aligned, and not cut off. When it looks good, go ahead and print from Excel. If you prefer a quick snapshot directly from Monday.com, you can also print the board view in your browser. With the board open, use Ctrl+P on Windows or Command+P on a Mac to bring up your print dialog. This is convenient for fast, on-the-spot prints, though keep in mind the formatting may not be as tidy as the Excel export for multi-page documents. That's it. Use the export method for polished, shareable prints and the browser shortcut for quick copies. Thanks for watching, and happy printing in Monday.com.